Yeah, no, it has grown. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pamela and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be how I style my natural hair every day, simple, quick and easy. Please do like the video, subscribe and share. For this one, you don't have to use only a ribbon. You can also use a string. You put it in the middle and you tie it using on the other side and to the other side. And then your hair will be more puffier than it is when you're using the string than the ribbon. So yeah. Those were my 4 easy peasy simple hairstyles. This is what I do with my hair, as you can see now. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time.